Welcome to the spotting webinar brought to you by Exact Products. The first thing you need to do when you begin spotting is identify what you are dealing with, whether it's a spot or a stain. Spots are often characterized as easily removed with normal cleaning. Oftentimes it's a soluble substance, and it's recently happened, so it hasn't had time to set in. Stains, on the other hand, are more difficult or not completely removable at times. The substance has altered or dyed the carpet. It's been on the carpet for more than a day and has had time to set in. And sometimes it's lighter shade than the carpet, and oftentimes this means there is no fix. There are 4 basic types of stains: solvent stains, water-based stains that make up 90% of most stains, chemical stains, and insoluble stains. Different types of solvent stains include oil, grease, paint, tar, gum, makeup, and candle wax. Chemical stains must be chemically reacted before using water-based or non-water-based cleaners. For instance, rust, you can use lemon juice and salt to react with the rust before blotting and rinsing with cool water. Other types of chemical stains include urine, acids, and alkalines. Insoluble stains are stains that can't be dissolved in water or solvent. Things like copy machine toner, fingerprint dust. The only way to remove these types of stains is to dry vacuum the area where the toner or fingerprint dust has landed on the carpet. There are 3 types of water-based stains. First is alkaline, which includes things like floor stripper, salts, sugar, and medicines. The second type is an acidic stain, which includes coffee, tea, juice, soda, beer, wine, urine, and vomit. And the third type of water-based stain is a protein stain, which includes things like blood, milk, chocolate, and eggs. There are several forms of stains. One, for example, would be a surface stain, where it's present on or between fibers. An example of this would be gum. An absorbed stain has penetrated the fibers of the carpet. An example of this would be coffee or ink. A compound stain is present on or in fibers. For example, if you spill paint or get lipstick on a carpet surface. Another form of stain is destructive, which actually alters the nature of the fibers. Things like bleaches and acids can do this. And then the last one that we'll talk about is dyes. Dyes are spilled onto the fibers and also alter the color of the fiber. There are a few simple ways you can identify unknown spots. The first and easiest way is to ask someone that you're working for or somebody that works in the facility what the stain might be. Next, use your sight. The shape of the stain can possibly indicate the type of stain it is. Smell often works and sometimes is the best way to tell. Touch the stain. If it's oily, tacky, sticky, etc., it might give you a clue as to what it is. pH factor means if it is unresponsive to solvent, it is most likely a water-based spot. Here are some standard spotting procedures you should follow. First, you want to pre-test any spot removal agent in an inconspicuous area to make certain it will not damage the carpet. To pre-test, apply several drops of removal agent to the testing area. Hold a white cloth on the wet area for 10 seconds. Examine the cloth for color transfer or change. If transfer occurs, select another removal agent. Always wear appropriate personal protection equipment. Follow the label directions on your chemicals and use a measuring cup. Remove the excess by blotting, scraping, absorbing, and vacuuming. And make sure you blot liquids with dry, white, absorbent cloth. Apply a small amount of the removal agent to a white cloth. Work removal agent from the edges of the spot to the center to prevent the spot from spreading. Do not scrub. Scrubbing can damage carpet fibers and work the spot deeper into the carpet. After the spot is completely removed, rinse the affected area thoroughly with water and blot with a dry cloth until all solution is removed. Have patience. If you use the correct spotter, most spots will dissolve given adequate dwell time. If the fabric has a pile, groom the pile when you are done. If you believe the spot may wick, place absorbent paper toweling on the spot and place a heavy weight on it. Inform the customer to remove the toweling in 12 to 24 hours. If the spot returns, you either still have a spotting residue or the spotting agent was not thoroughly flushed. Having the right equipment is essential and will not only help you get the job done quicker, but do a better job and make your customers happy. We recommend machines like the Exact Extract portable carpet extractors or the Exact Hotspot that provide high-pressure solution for agitation, on-demand heat for better cleaning power, and powerful vacuums to remove residue and excess moisture from the carpet. For a deeper dive into carpet cleaning techniques and to become a certified technician, we recommend one of the IICRC training courses that are often hosted by your local distributor. Visit the IICRC website at iicrc.org for more details. Thank you for attending the spotting webinar from Exact Products.